Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle. I've already solved two puzzles, Sudoku, with 3 stars and 4 stars. In additional of Saturday, August the 13th, 2022. 2 puzzles are left. This one is very interesting with 9 printed digits. Should be a hard one. But now it's time for the binary time. Yes, binary time. And this will be number 5010. 5010. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then I cannot feel anything now. Now I need to think 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me think. Yeah. Need to compare. Well, seems like we need to compare with this column and that column. Last column. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Need to compare again. Seems like nope, this column I cannot compare. 101. Well, will be difficult. Then the rows, double 010. Yeah, how about this row and that row? 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. Empty box 0 0. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Easy one, this one. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.